channel. My name is Robyn and this is my closet. It's beautiful out here today in Arizona. It's probably mid-70s, a little wind, but just too good to pass up filming outside. I do all sorts of unboxings, beauty, lifestyle, jewelry, clothing. So today's box is going to be never know where they put the names. It's a Bless box. I did cancel the subscription because I was getting a lot of the same products. In these type of subscriptions, you get a lot of facial cleansers, you get a lot of hair products. So I am just so running out of room. I do sell on the Mercari website and also on Poshmark, but very little. Because I just don't have the time to take the pictures and do the postings. I guess it's called laziness. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and as always, a thumbs up if you like it. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. I have met so many wonderful people on the YouTube platform. And if you just subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. So Bless Box is a monthly subscription, $29.99. I always forget. Not only will I leave the price, but I will leave a link. There might be a discount if you would like to give it a try. It's a lifestyle box, and I believe it's a woman lifestyle box. So a lot of these products are done by women for women, which is kind of a nice concept. So you open it up and it's got Enjoy It Babe. So let's see what I have got in this box. So the first thing, it smells delicious. I didn't put any perfume on, which I don't when I try on clothes and things, but this box smells really good. So the first thing is the card with everything that is in this box. And it looks like we have stickers. So I don't know, you can put them in your daily planner, but I'm not sure. Yeah, they're nail art stickers. How cool is that? How fun. So, nail art stickers. The next thing is exclusive offer for Bless Box. Order today while supplies last with any $35 purchase and free shipping, and you will get free La Petite lip tattoo or 2 hair steam caps. And it's by one of their suppliers. And the next thing I know I'm gonna love, Glowing Skin Gold Dust Hydrogel Mask. And I'm thinking it might be it might be a Korean company, and it says made in Korea. I am smart. So this is the mask, and you just leave it on for 30 minutes. And I don't know if there's any YouTubers out there that don't like masks, but I just love them. The next thing looks like a pair of socks, Sticky Bee socks. And it looks like, you know, the kind that you can wear on the floor so that you don't fall on your bum. So those are nice, and they're great for this time of year. The next thing, maybe another Korean product. I can't read what it is. Oh, it's a Calamus Damage Care Hair Steam Cap. So that must have been what they're talking about, that you can get these products. I have never used one of these. Have any of you guys tried the a hair care mask? And well, it's not just a hair care, it's a steam cap. So let me know if any of you have tried this, but this is super interesting. And it gives you the directions and how to put it on. Interesting. The next thing is by Meaningful Beauty, and I have heard of this company before. It's a Cindy Crawford company. It's Revive and Brighten Under Eye Mask. There are so many things in this box. The next thing is Surf Spray. Nelson Beverly Hills Surf Spray. Big and sexy hair. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. I put some hairspray on earlier, but I just have to smell it. It does smell good. So, gonna be enjoying the hairspray. Of course, today isn't the day for hair. The next thing is Go Macro Bar Sunny Uplift Cherries and Berries, vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO. So it's a healthy bar. I can eat it. As I said, this is just a really great lifestyle box. The next product is LOV Fatal Muse Liquid Matte Lipstick. And it's all packaged up. So I'm not gonna open it. I could tell it's definitely my color. I'm looking for the color. But yeah, that's super nice. And the next thing is Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effort Mascara. I know I won't be using this. I'm not a huge mascara wearer. I do have a bunch of eyelashes, the fake eyelashes that they put in all these kits, and I am going to give that a try. I'm going to watch some videos and see if I could master that. The next thing, and this is a great box, the next thing in the box is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Cool Soothe Redness, Puffiness, and Swelling Open Pore Soothe Comforts Microwavable and Freezer Safe Comforting Gel Comforting Gel Bead Face Mask. Like bread. And this actually looks pretty neat. If I can get it out, it's something I definitely want to share. Oh my God, first of all, it weighs like 500 pounds. So this is must be the cold side, and this must be the warm side. But this is the back, so you will look like, who is it, Jason or somebody from one of those movies? But this looks awesome. And there are detailed directions on the back. And it is not bread. Okay, there's a few more things in here. PURACY Puracy Organic Hand and Body Lotion, and it's fragrance free, so I'm not going to smell it. A nice size, 4 ounces. And a nail polish. And it is in the color Crisp Rose. I get my nails done, so I am not going to use it. I will probably maybe send it to my daughter. She doesn't really wear nail polish, but when she goes on different like weddings and stuff like that, she does have a tendency to paint her nails. So I might send that to her. And there's one more thing in this box. I cannot believe the size of this box. And it is Earthman Daily Facial Cleanser, sulfate free, for morning and evening use. Gently massage a moderate amount onto moistened face and neck. So that's what I mean. Like every box, we just unboxed our BoxyCharms. I saw so many people do that. And we got that huge face cream in there, face cleanser. So this definitely looks neat. I will keep it, I will try it. But again, there's just so many facial cleansers. So that is everything that was in this box. And I have to say, I thought it was a great box. I mean, with the exception of maybe the little nail stickers and the mascara, I plan on using everything in this box. I can't wait to try the mask and this great lip color. So let's just review how much everything is. The Cherries Macro Bar is $2.89. The Vegan Facial Cleanser is $35 by Earthman Skincare. The Surf Spray is $8. The Comforting Gel Bead Face Mask is $12. The Sugar and Spice Nail Art Stickers are $8. The Moisture Mask for your hair, the cap, is $10. The nail polish is $3.98. The eye mask, I don't think it has a price because it's just a sample. The organic hand and body lotion is $5. And that matte liquid lipstick in Fatal Muse is $10. And then we got some surprise items. I don't know what they are. I think maybe one is the face mask. That Korean face mask is like $8. And yeah, I guess you have they put a surprise item, and mine must have been the face mask. Sorry about that. So you get a lot of products, and I want to say it was $29.99, and it might have some tax on there or shipping, so it could be $35. I will leave the link and everything below. Let me know what you thought of this box. I just thought it was a great box because it had so many things. Oh, the socks must have been a gift too, because I didn't see the socks on there. And did I see the mascara on there? No. So the mascara and the socks and that face mask were all a gift. So you gotta kind of love a gift. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you soon.